Hello everyone. Are you unable to draw truth tables in digital electronics? Here's the answer for it. Let's start with the first as to draw a two variable truth table. Now in order to draw truth tables of any number of variables we should follow two steps. Step number 1 is we have to identify number of combinations and it will be with the help of formula 2 raised to n. Now this n is basically number of combinations or number of variables that we are using. Actually, it should be number of inputs oblique variables. In this case, we are using two variables a and b, so it will be 2 square as 4. So to draw a two variable truth table, we need four combinations. That's why we should start with b. Now here b is LSB bit, that stands for least significant bit, and a is our most significant bit. So whenever we're dealing with the LSB, it should be multiplied with 2 raised to 0. So LSB bit will be multiplied with 2 raised to 0, and this 2 raised to 0 will be 1. So there will be a difference of 1 bit. So you should write b with a difference of 1 bit, starting with 0, then 1, then 0, then 1. So alternately it is toggled for 1. Coming to the point of second, we have a. A stands for MSB, most significant bit, and it is always multiplied with 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 0, then 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 will be 2. So there will be a difference of 2 bits. So if I write first 0, again we should write 0, difference of 2 bits, and again 1 and 1. So here difference of 1 bit, and here difference of 2 bits. Now coming to the point of its decimal equivalent, 0 0 is nothing but 0 in decimal equivalent, 0 1 1, 1 0 2, and this 1 1 will be 3. So this will be our two variable truth table. Now the same concept we'll use for three variables. Now in case of three variable truth tables, again we should start with the formula as number of combinations will be 2 raised to n. Now we are getting three variables, it will be 2 raised to 3 as 8. So we'll be getting total 8 combinations. So let's draw the table. Again we'll be writing the inputs as a, b, c, and here we'll write its decimal equivalent. Now let's start with the most extreme right hand bit, that is nothing but c. It should be multiplied with 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 is 1. So again difference of 1 for 8 times. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. Now next, the middle finger. The middle one, if you take, if it is multiplied with 2 raised to 0, this will be multiplied with 2 raised to 1. Now 2 raised to 1 is 2. So we have to take difference of 2 bits. So first 2 are 0, next 2 are 1. Again 0 0 1 1. Lastly, coming to the point of a, it is multiplied with 2 square. 2 square is 4. So first 4 bits 0 and last 4 bits 1. So here it will be 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1. So this will be our three variable combinations. Now let's write their decimal equivalent. So 0 0 0 will be 0, 0 0 1 will be 1, 0 1 0 2, 0 1 1 will be 3, 1 0 0 4, this will be 5, 1 1 0 will be 6, 1 1 will be 7. So this is how we have drawn a three variable truth table. Same approach we will follow for four variables also. Now the first step, number of combinations, as we are writing simply the formula as number of combination 2 raised to n will be 2 raised to 4 as 16. So we'll to write total 16 combinations. So let's start with the input terms. We have a, b, c, d, and here we'll be writing its decimal equivalent. Let's write with the first bit. Here it is d, as usual multiplied with 2 raised to 0, difference of 1 bit. We have to write it for 16 times. This is 0 1 0 1 Now just verify it whether it is of 16 times. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Fine. Now next, the c multiplied with 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 1, 2, difference of 2, double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1, again double 0, double 1, this is double 0, double 1. Next we have b multiplied with 2 square equal to 4. So first 4 bits are 0, next are 1, again 0, and last are 1. Now coming to the last, this will be multiplied with 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So if it is 8, so first 8 are zeros, next 8 are ones. Sorry, this is, it should be 0. And so we written 8 times 0, again we'll be getting 8 times 1. Okay, now it's decimal equivalent. That will be our last point. We should start with 0. This is 1, 2, this is 3, then this is 4, 0, 1, 0, 1, 5, then we have 6, then 7, this is 8, 9, this one is 10, 11, 12, this is 13, triple 1, 0, 14, and this will be 15. So this will be our 4 variable truth table. So this is the way in which we can draw truth table of any number of variables. Thank you.